In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in an Odoo website. We'll walk through a simple, practical example that you can confidently add buttons to any page on your Odoo site. This is really useful for things like Contact Us, Drops, Shop Now, or Learn More buttons that guide your visitors to the right place. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo instance with access to the website app. From your main Odoo dashboard, look for the website icon. It usually has a globe or similar symbol. Go ahead and click on Website. This will open the website backend and show you your site, almost exactly as your visitors see it, but with editing tools available at the top of the screen. Once your website page is open, look at the top right corner for the Edit button. Click on Edit to enter the website editor. When you're in edit mode, the page becomes fully customizable. You'll see a panel, usually on the left side, with different building blocks that you can drag and drop onto your page. This is where we'll find the button element. In the left panel, scroll until you see the element labeled button. This is a pre-designed block that you can place anywhere on the page. Click on the button block, hold your mouse button down, and drag it to the area on the page where you want your button to appear. As you move it around, you'll see highlighted areas that show you possible positions. Release your mouse button when you're happy with the placement. Once the button is on the page, you can click directly on the text inside the button to change its label. For example, you might type, "Get started," "Book now," or whatever call to action makes sense for your page. You can also use the options that appear, usually above or beside the button, to change its style, color, size, and alignment, so it matches your site's design. Finally, when you're satisfied with how the button looks and where it leads, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save or Publish button at the top of the page and click it. Your new button is now live and ready for your visitors to use.